Sauce. 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 Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we got a little car meet I'm about to head to. It's like 17 minutes away from me. I don't really work tomorrow, so I figured just do something. And we got H2O coming up, so stay tuned for that video too. H2O is gonna be lit. Don't sleep. Actually, with currently I have some issues that I'm trying to figure out right now with the access port, which I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. Alright, so boom. For those who know, you know. I've been having like really strange damn ratios going on. It's been like, when I installed it on Friday, it was okay. It was at 1 for like the whole day, and then I drove Saturday, it dropped. I drove Sunday, it dropped, and I drove Monday and it dropped. So it started like stressing me out a little bit. And what's today? Tuesday. And I'm trying to figure it out. I just put it on the stage 0 map to see if that helps and makes things change. I'm gonna try not to get into boost too much and try to get the proper load, so that way it starts going back up. Hopefully it does. If it does, we're in the clear. If it doesn't, might have a little trouble and might have to go to a shop. Fingers crossed we don't have to, right? But that's the update on the Cobb access port. I'm about to head to the meet now. See you guys there. Alright, so this stage 0 tone might be fucking with my car a little bit, because my dam went up closer to normal, and then it just dropped back to 688. And you can see the fine knock, the feedback knock, like, is at 7, which is insane. It shouldn't be that high, but the fine knock is fine. This really actually starting to trip me out a little bit. I might reflash it later and see. That's about it. Yeah.
Me. MIA. All these young niggas, yeah, they learn from me. They my son. I sparked you once, you gotta burn from me. Yeah, they learn from me. Sparked you once, so you gotta burn from me. All these young niggas, yeah, they learn from me. You gotta that's my motherfucking mission. I got your girl, look like I was at the bar fishing. I'm stunting doing donuts in the north. Fuck a body bag, dump his body on the floor. All this fucking money, so you know I had to splurge. Why you gotta hate? I just had some kind of urge. Going door to door for Halloween was just a purge. Why the fucking attitude? This girl got fucking nerves. Shooting hoops and blowing dope, yeah, that's what I do. You tripping over nothing, hope you tied your fucking shoe. Tied of shit. All my hoodies red, I'm not rocking nothing new. All these hoes know there's not nothing new. Nope, we be steady mobbing, so I'm rocking. So not the sniffles, nigga. Tommy on my drawers, hoes on my line. I'm declining calls, fuck that bitch. What these hoes? off this earth for more money. I wonder why you never heard from me. MIA. All these young niggas, yeah, they learn from me. Hey, my son, I sparked you once, you gotta burn for me. Yeah, they learn from me. I sparked you once, you gotta burn for me. All these young niggas, yeah, they learn from me. You gotta burn for me.
Alright, so boom, you guys made it to the end of the video. I left early because, as you can see in the video, people were doing like burnouts and stuff, and like the cops showed up, so I didn't want to have to deal with that. So I dipped out and I came home. It is 21:47, 9:47. I'm about to get ready to go to bed. I got a commander's call in the morning, so peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, share with your family, and I'm out. Peace.